Top 10 apps or websites to make easy money online. Number 1, we have Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular rewards app that allows users to earn points by completing various tasks such as taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Users can redeem these points for cash via PayPal or gift cards.
Number 2, we have Ibotta. Ibotta is a cashback app that enables users to earn money on purchases made at participating retailers. Users can submit receipts for in-store purchases or link loyalty accounts to receive cashback rewards. Number 3, we have Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a survey platform where users can earn money by sharing their opinions through surveys. Users can cash out their earnings via PayPal once they reach a minimum threshold of points. Number 4, we have Rakuten. Rakuten offers cashback on purchases made through its platform at various retailers. Users must activate offers before shopping to earn a percentage back on their purchases, which can be cashed out via check or PayPal. Number 5, we have Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys partners with market research firms and allows users to earn points for completing surveys. Points can be redeemed for cash through PayPal or gift cards once the user reaches the minimum threshold. Number 6, we have Upside. Upside is an app that provides cashback offers at gas stations, grocery stores, and restaurants. Users can claim offers before making purchases and receive cashback directly into their accounts. Number 7, we have TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit connects users with local freelancers who can help with various tasks and errands. Users can post tasks they need assistance with and set their prices. Freelancers earn money for completed tasks. Number 8, we have DoorDash. DoorDash is a food delivery service that allows individuals to work as delivery drivers, dashers. Dashers earn money by delivering food from local restaurants to customers' homes. Dashers get paid by the restaurant owner as soon as the food is delivered. Number 9, we have Uber. Uber is a ride-sharing service that connects drivers with passengers looking for transportation. Drivers can set their own schedules and earn money based on the number of rides they complete. Number 10, we have Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is an online platform where freelancers can find job opportunities across various fields such as writing, programming, and design. Freelancers bid on projects and get paid upon completion of work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.